Okay, market just opened. We had PPI news data today. That's what this big candle is right here. So we're going to go ahead and mark out the data highs and the data lows as draws on liquidity on both of these. We have already pushed up past Asia session highs and past London session highs. I'm not going to lie, I am looking to be bearish today due to the fact that we have London session lows right here, data lows, London session lows, and Asia session lows right here. Kind of all of these draws and liquidities stacked up on top of each other. Same thing here with NASDAQ once these things will load in. But we had this big CPI news data candle wick that came up and took out these 4-hour highs. We didn't quite make it all the way up to these 4-hour highs, which are all-time highs. Okay, and this is still loading. And on the S&P 500, we pushed back up again to all-time highs. So right now we're kind of in no man's land in terms of draws on liquidity. There's no draws on liquidity on the left-hand side for the S&P 500. However, there is on NASDAQ. NASDAQ came up and we did end up sweeping out these 4-hour draws on liquidity. I'm really pissed off that this indicator isn't loading because I want to be able to mark out London session lows and Asia session lows. So today I'm looking to be bearish down to data lows, London session lows, Asia session lows. And price is already going there and doing that right now. So that kind of blows. I would like for price to chill the fuck out. But if we just go and take out data lows, we could see like a little bounce off of that and then catch a trade off the retrace. I'm just going to sit here and be patient. I've traded like relatively well this week. We're up $14,000. There's no reason to rush into this. We have PPI news data today, CPI news data tomorrow. I won't be trading tomorrow, and then Friday should be good price action. So yeah, let's see what we want to do off of this. We very well could come down, even though I'm saying that I'm bearish right now. We very well could come down, sweep out data lows and like London lows on NASDAQ, and then cause the rotation back to the upside while ES only takes out data lows. So that's kind of looking, because ES is lagging a little bit behind NASDAQ. NASDAQ's a lot closer to these data lows than the S&P 500 is. So that's a possibility. We're 3 minutes into market open. No reason to rush into anything right now. So let's just sit back, chill, watch how price develops, and we can make a decision moving forward from there. Again, the goal would be for price to stay up above these lows because these lows are really good draws on liquidity. It does suck when on the S&P 500, we literally only have one draw, or I guess we could use these highs as well, but 2 draws on liquidity to the upside because we are in no man's land right now. Literal no man's land right now. There's no highs for us to target on the left-hand side. And on NASDAQ, we're getting close to no man's land. We're getting close to it. These are all-time highs, previous all-time highs. So, yeah, dude. We'll have to see. But right now, I'm kind of just chilling. Just chilling. Yeah, so this would be really awesome if we could stay up above here for the next 10 minutes for real. If we can not take out these lows for the next 10 minutes, that would be ideal. Like I said, Nasdaq's getting real close to these lows. Let's see if we take those lows out. I think we are. Data lows have been swept on NASDAQ. Okay, so if this is the case, we very well could be making a bullish SMT off these lows. We might not even, like I was saying, I would like for NASDAQ to, whatever, go down and grab these lows, whatever, and have ES take out these lows and then have the SMT from these lows up to these lows right here. But it doesn't even look like ES wants to go down and grab those. So we're getting towards that time. Sorry, I've been like dead silent. I've just been fucking scrolling. But we're getting towards that time that I would like to be looking for entries once this candle closes. So I think it's about that time for us to be able to scale down a bit. Or actually, I'm going to just stay. I'm actually just going to stay right here. I'm currently making a bullish S&T off this as well. So ES would be the preferred index that we trade because it's the one that is leading in this bullishness. Take a look at these 1 minute highs. So we had data lows swept. We're currently making a bearish S&T, or once this forms an up candle, or if it forms an up candle here, we could potentially be making a bullish S&T as long as ES doesn't come down and take out these lows. So let's see if we make an up candle here. We have to make an up candle on ES as well. Down candle. Down candle. See here, if we can form a bullish candle on ES and on NASDAQ, that would be nice. No break. We did not end up inversing this gap. So let's still wait and let's be patient. Even if we break structure right here, I think I'm going to want to wait for some sort of secondary confluence just because we haven't quite hit 950 yet. And we could potentially, so we'll form this up candle on the 5 minute, right? But I think we'll probably get another 5 minute down candle or some sort of move down to whatever, convince people that, hey, we're going to go lower off of this. I don't think that we'll come back underneath these lows. We had a pretty strong reaction off of those. But yeah, we'll sit here and see now. So we're getting a strong reaction here off NASDAQ. Okay, we didn't close a bullish candle on that, so we'll have to wait. NASDAQ might end up going and taking out this low again, and if ES can stay above these lows, then that would actually be really good. So NASDAQ took out these lows. Let's see if ES takes these out. If it doesn't, and then we flip to the upside from here, then I'll take a long instantly on the S&P 500. Oh shit. Wow. Okay, nice. So we're staying above these lows. If we can get a bullish close out of this, boom, game over, I'm in. If we can get a bullish close on both ES and on NASDAQ, that's gorgeous. That's another S&T divergence, and we'll be off to the races. I'm going to go ahead and go long here. If my thing will load. So we made this bullish SMT on the 1 minute, bullish SMT on the 1 minute. Going to go ahead and put in my stop losses. See how we look here. Beautiful. Oh! Still in. Still in, surprisingly. How am I still in this? Stopped out. Wow. Stopped out. Whoa, that was way more risk than I wanted to. Okay, I ended up losing $41,620 on that. I think we still have upside here. As long as ES can stay above these lows. That was way more risk than I wanted to. I thought it was gonna be like $30,000 of risk, $40,000. It's a lot more. NASDAQ inverse that gap. I'm going to go ahead and go long here again on ES. I could have went long on NASDAQ, but I think ES is the better play. Set these stop losses again. Let's see. I like the way that this is forming. Broke structure back to the upside on the 1 minute. NASDAQ, we're back above this gap. Ugh. Pretty good close. We're continuing this uptrend on the 1 minute. I don't like how NASDAQ looks at all though. It's just like accumulating. This accumulation keeps getting tighter and tighter and tighter. It's going to break out. It's just a matter of what direction. I would like to say that it's going to break out to the upside. Nice. It's good. Nice. Yeah, we're good now. Whew. A little bit spooky. I got crushed on that drop. Can't believe that. Can't believe it. Barely got stopped out. And I got crushed. It's okay. We should be able to make everything back from this loss and some profit on top. We should be able to do that. Gonna hit that take profit any second now. Or not any second, any minute. Smack it. Go grab it. Go get it, dude. You're right there. Come on, man. There we go. Come on, dude. Go. Come on, man. Just hit it, bruh. Go. Oh my God. Go. There we go. Come on. There we go. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, cool. So we are now break even on the day, or I'm up $140. So now the goal is to target these data highs, which I think is possible. We move stop losses to break even. Stop losses are at break even. NASDAQ was able to, okay, so we're equal with these 5-minute highs. I would like to see NASDAQ go up and push past those highs right here. And I think that's possible. These data highs are pretty solid draw on liquidity. I really have to go to the bathroom, so I'll be right back. Okay. If we hit this final take profit, it'll actually be a good profit day. We'll probably be able to make like 50K. I went pretty fucking heavy on this second trade. Okay, so we ripped oh wait, no we didn't. Did we? Yeah, so we poked above these highs and we're getting a retrace now on NASDAQ. Not much of a retrace on ES. I would love for ES to just go up and grab these data highs, push past previous all-time highs, which are those data highs. Just gonna go ahead and set take profits on all of these because I won't hold for any longer past these data highs. Let's see it. Let's see what happens. I would like for this take profit to get hit. I wouldn't be pissed obviously because break-even day is better than losing $41,000, but I would like for this take profit to get hit. And then again, here we are this is the third trading day in a row. The past 2 days, it's just been, entries have been a little bit. We're struggling with the entries a little bit this week. Hey, Boogie. Been struggling with the entries a little bit this week. Your whiskers are tickling my boobs, Boogie. But the directional bias has been correct every single time. So it's just honing in on these entries. It's almost been like I've been entering a little bit too early the majority of times. So goal is going to be to try and hold off on doing that consistently. So there you go. Now I can go back to scrolling. We should be able to get those data highs. I just hope that we don't get like a sturdy retrace. Oh shit, bro, my break even's pretty freaking low, so I think we should be okay. Come on, bro. Bro, I just saw. This is crazy. Wow, that was insane. This like ultra rare ass Ferrari just got fucking T-boned, bro. Bro, you're capping. I need to see the chart of this right now. Bro, you know the 6-7 meme? Or actually, no, I don't even want to talk about this. Like, what, bro? I hate that. That's so annoying. Can this shit just go? Can we just hit take profit? What's NASDAQ look like? NASDAQ looks good too. Come on, dude. Let's make this thing shake. I never rode a short bus, but I'm doing. I go break and I got a lump in it. Come on now, let's rip up there and take out data highs and call it a day. Shall we? Let's go up, let's take out data highs, and let's call it a fucking day. Blast through these highs. What are these? All of these are relative equal highs. Yeah, NASDAQ. Blast through those. ES. Blast through this. And let's just call it a day. And then I can go and chill on the beach after making like 60 fucking racks. Come on, guys. Let's figure it out. There we go. Nasdaq push above these highs. Can we just hurry this the fuck up? I'm trying to go to the beach. I'm trying to go play. Come on. Oh. Bruh. All right, bros. Can we just like, okay, bro, I'm not gonna hold you guys. My stops are at break even. If price, this is what I'll do. I won't post this until fucking, oh wait, I have a vlog getting posted today. This is great. I'm going to post this trade recap tomorrow. So you guys are gonna see this tomorrow instead. So I'm just gonna stop this recording right now because I'm not trading tomorrow. And then if I get stopped out at break even, I'll make another video at the end of this and put it together and then get this shit posted tomorrow so that you guys can know whether this hit final take profit or break even. And then, yeah. So this is getting posted for you guys. Today is CPI news day today. This is not CPI news data. This is PPI news data. And it's just getting posted a day later because a vlog got posted yesterday. Cool. Hey guys, little update on this. We ended up getting stopped out at break even, which is kind of unfortunate. I ended up losing like $2,000 from fees from executing these trades. So from the first trade, we lost, what was it, $41,000. Second trade, we made that money back and we were up like $140 after hitting take profit 1, but then getting stopped out at break even made us lose like $1,900 due to fees, even though my stops were at break even. So lost around like $2,000 today. This is way later in the day, but yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll get this uploaded to you guys on CPI day. I'll just schedule this. So there you go.